Good morning, students. In science we are going to start another block 15, properties of air. In that we will discuss LP1, air has weight. The aim of the lesson is to prove that air has some weight. The keywords which are included are inflated, deflated, mass. Students, we are performing an activity today. Okay, so the resources you know very well. Daily we have to take science content book, volume 2, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and you have to take your classwork also, right? To record the observation, to write the observation, you need your classwork. So for the activity, students, you need two deflated balloons. Deflated means like this. Okay, now then what you need? Thread, one linear stick, straight stick. You have to blow two balloons. Now you have to arrange it like that, like this. Means you have to tie both the balloons to the stick at equal length. Then in the middle, exact in the middle, you have to tie the thread. So students, now we will see the video from which how it will perform the activity. Same like that you have to perform it at home. Now students, take all these items, tie the thread at the middle. Now tie both the inflated balloons at the corners at equal length. Okay, both the inflated balloons must be same. And here students, just now you have seen, you have to take one cello tape, and you have what you have to do, take one small piece of cello tape and paste any one of the balloon, any one, A or B. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to take one pin, needle or anything, and you have to make a hole on the cello tape, right? Then what, slowly the air will be go outside of the balloon, and here you can see one of the balloon went upside, another one will come downside. So why do you think it's happened like this? Right, because the A balloon, it has air inside it, and B balloon now it doesn't have air. So what happened? The balloon which has air, it come downside. So from this experiment it shows that air has weight. So students, perform this activity at home, right? Now after performing that activity, you have to like this, make a table and write what I have written here in your table in classwork. Okay, you can write the today's date, activity, air has weight, and you have to set up like this, right? Now what you have to do, in 3 columns, first column, in second one you have to write balloon A and balloon B are inflated to same size, right or not? So I predicted that. So what in your case, whether those are same, then you have to write yes, right? Both the balloons are inflated at same size. Okay, and next one, I observed that. What you have observed, if both are same, both the balloon will have same weight, right? Then same size, same weight. Understood? Now next one, second one, balloon B is burst. Now when you pin up one of the balloon, what will happen? What you predicted, I predicted that what you have predicted, that you have to write. Then what you observed, right? You predict what you predict, that perform the activity, you will come to know, right? Then next, I have written the answers after activity, such as these are. Okay, whether these answers will match to you or not, just you check it up, right? Now all of you open your volume 2, page number 35. Write today's date, air has weight, S1. First question, a diagram has been given about your activity. What does the balance tell about the weight of the inflated balloons? By seeing this picture, what you can write, does both the balloons are would have same weight or not? That you write your own answer. Then B1, draw what will happen if we burst balloon A. Why? Any one of the balloon if we burst, then what will happen? That diagram you have to draw here. Okay, and why it happens like that, that also you have to give the reason. Second question, Arjun had a football weighing 450 gram, right? He inflated it with a pump. Inflated means he pumped the air into deflated balloon. See, this is deflated balloon. What he done? He pumped the air and it become inflated. Then now tell me, what do you think would happen to the weight of the balloon? Now, does the weight of the balloon increase or it decrease? That you have to write. Then students, do you know we feel air around us also? Then why don't we feel its weight on us? Right? In this lesson we are discussing air has weight. Then why the air weight is not applying on us? Actually, it applying the weight on us, but what will happen? We inside of our body we have fluid, right or not? Fluids, like example, take blood only, right? What will happen? Inside of our body, whatever fluid we have, it also have pressure. It also have some pressure. Then what it will do? It will push that, right? Or it will push the air weight. So what will happen? The air weight and the fluid pressure both will become equal. That's why we are balanced, right? Now third question, we now know that air has weight and that is around us. Why don't we feel its weight on us? Just now we discussed that, only you have to write. So students, you should have to perform this activity at home, then only you will come to understand. Okay, now after performing the activity you have to send the pictures like this one picture of your activity, and also another last one which will be deflated and inflated balloon experiment, last one will be there na? That also you have to send me through the WhatsApp. Hope you have understood today's class, right? Stay home, stay safe.